in the ditch. Every challenge. Why is it always me? Go behind us! There's an alternator.
Good morning, Florida. We've been driving for 11 hours. We're gonna do a challenge to see which truck starts faster. It's freezing cold, -49 with wind chill. Brady's gonna do his first.